guys, it is Wednesday and we are on our way to Cades Cove, Tennessee to ride the loop, to bike the loop. And the great thing about Wednesdays from May 6th to September 30th is that there is no motor vehicles allowed around the loop. So this is our first time getting to ride our bicycles as we go around the loop. So really looking forward to that, and hopefully we can see a lot of bears along the way. And then maybe a few horses, you never know. So looking forward to it. Come along with us and check it out and see what you think. It's been a tough regular bike ride. That's a tough hill. Can you imagine a regular bike? you want to stop by any places yet? Primitive Baptist Church is that way. This is so nice. Your family. This is one of the first buildings you come to. A nice church. We've been in this one several times. We're going to go ahead and bypass this one this time, but go into the next one. But it's a nice stop. There's a cemetery over there that you can look at some of the gravestones, which is pretty cool. They got some interesting facts on those. All right, well, here we are. We're in at our first stop.
Yeah, it's actually a beautiful day here today, and I would suggest either get here super early, like, did you already talk about that?
No, I did not.
7 or 8 o'clock in the morning, probably by 7, or if you're not going to get here early, get here in the late afternoon. And probably you'll end up parking at the picnic area, campground area, which is right directly across from Cades Cove Loop. So, because when we came here about what, 3:30?
Something like
And
Yeah.
there were parking. There was a few parking spots there, not a lot, but there were some there, but none here, like in the actual where you would park right outside the loop. But yeah, it's it's really nice, and I'm glad we're doing it because it's something we've been wanting to do for a long time.
Yeah, it's
and
our first time. I didn't say that. It's our first time riding
Yeah,
it,
it's
actually.
gorgeous and peaceful, and I think we'll definitely be doing this again.
Yeah, just don't step out in the road like we about did and
Yeah,
run into.
if you pull off to
Do what
take
we're
in some
doing.
sights, yeah, don't just step out in the road without looking both ways first, because electric bikes are flying. Even people on their regular bikes, like they are flying. Here comes a ranger
Yeah.
in a car. But yeah, there's if you're worried about bears and things like that, I'm kind of a little, I was worried about bears, but there are lots of people around, and they have rangers, volunteers, and things like that in different spots. So you're good. Um, there goes one now, park ranger. So anyway, I definitely recommend. With an electric bike, I don't think I would have made it up a couple of those hills.
It was. There was a couple of
Although
hills that were pretty. But there's a lot of.
there's a lot of people who do it. Yeah, hats off to y'all
Yeah.
if you can do that.
If you can do it without an electric bike, but
Yes, and I see a lot of people doing it.
it's just a lot easier and you can enjoy the ride a lot more. Unless you're just here just to specifically
Yeah,
bike.
like people are walking.
Yeah.
Which
Yeah. Yeah, not gonna do that. 9 miles.
11.
11?
Yeah.
Okay.
So anyway,
So, what are you gonna do if your battery goes dead?
I'm gonna hop in one of these park ranger vehicles, right? If they let me. I would be in trouble.
Okay. All right. But look at that scenery.
It's pretty.
What?
Yeah, if I'd been a bear, you'd been a grizzly with it.
Hmm? Yeah. Okay. So this is Cades Cove Missionary Baptist Church, founded in 1839. You want to go up here? So here we are at Cades Cove Missionary Baptist Church, founded in 1839. Let me see. Let's get a good view. We just parked our bikes out here, gonna check it out a little bit. Before we go inside, I'm gonna look over here to the right. Have some graves and just people's loved ones, have been buried here. So it's pretty amazing. And it is. I recommend coming out here and checking this out and just reading some of the stones. Just an example: Jonathan W.H. Myers, born December 10th, 1885, and died April 20th, 1924. It's interesting to see. So here we are inside this church. There's the graveyard over there, right outside the doors. But it's beautiful. So Bibles here. So pretty. Hmm? Okay.
Pretty quick, but.
Huh?
Okay.
Where? Oh.
We just passed the road right up here. Momma's off to the left a little bit.
Is that the cove right there?
Yeah, I believe so. There's two cubs and a mama baby. You want to turn right? I don't want to go right because by the time we get out here, there's not going to be anybody else out there with you first. Okay.
Yeah, I wouldn't go right. Oh, see, that was up in a tree.
I'm gonna slide by you. I'm gonna go to the right.
That's bad. We don't need to go on the road there, really.
Just go on right down the blacktop.
What is it, 3 of them?
Just pass them on up.
That Momma back there in the field, you know, she had 2 cubs.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I seen the little one.
Yeah. The thing starts after it.
Good looking back. Yeah, I have property in Happy Valley. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I had the money, but retirement. Right, yeah, I know. I know it's really. I'm always thinking that. It's hard because I had to retire early. That made it hard. Yeah, I was going to retire. I'm going to do 1 more year. I'm a preschool 2-year-old. It's a hard job. You know. You don't need a 70-year-old.
Cable Mills. So here we are at the halfway point at Cades Cove. I think it's sort of halfway point. Well, so there are bathrooms over here, which there's an area. Let me flip it around here. You can see there's an area that you can come to, and you have bathrooms over here that you can visit if you have to. And then also over here they have a little store. It's not open today, it doesn't look like. But there is some interesting buildings over here. Boy, today is a beautiful day. I've seen a lot of big turkeys here too. I'm talking about real turkeys, not type of turkeys you might think I'm referring to. He's there. There's a house over here. We've been in that house before. Let me go check it out. One of the structures here, the cable mill. Okay, maybe we gotta watch ourselves here. So cool seeing how these were made. Houses were built, the rooms, how the rooms are made. This one's blocked off. It used to be open. They blocked that area off, and it looks like they locked the door here. Which may have, not sure why, but may have been dangerous to get into at the time. Oh, there's a fireplace right here. Yeah, they blocked off a large section of this now. Old fireplace. There's Mama Bear. I'm behind you, babe, if you want to get to the ride. You want to get in front of me?
Yeah, where's the location?
I don't know.
Behind you?
I don't know. I can't right now.
Oh, I see a little clump off the side of this to the left. He's allowed to have a drink, Elliot. He's allowed to have a drink.
Look at him. You see that bear?
Yeah, I actually do.
Good.
There's two.
Yeah, I know. I saw him. Guys, cool pop.
Oh my goodness. They're so adorable. That was so cute.
Hello there.
There's no bears down there.
All right. Well, we made it.
We made it.
We
4
made it.
hours later.
4 hours later, but we went the whole loop. We got a little bit delayed. Why did we get
We
delayed?
had 3 bear jams.
3 bear jams because you can
Yeah.
only get can't get within 50 yards of the bear. So one of the rangers or the helpers.
Yeah, if the rangers are there and there's a bear, they will make you
Stop.
stay.
Yeah, if it's close to the road, we couldn't get by until.
The bear moves to a safer distance.
Yeah.
But we saw cubs and
Yeah, we got
Oh
some
my
good
goodness,
pictures,
yeah.
videos of that.
lots of bears.
Really
and
nice. Yeah, really nice.
Lots of turkeys.
Lots of turkeys.
We see
some
lots
deer.
of turkeys at home.
Yeah,
But yeah.
some deer,
Yeah,
and
we
which
see
we
those
see that at home,
yeah.
but bears we don't see much of, but we did see them here, and
Yeah.
it was pretty fun. And the park's getting ready to close, so we're gonna have to leave.
Yep, we got to get out of here.
Yeah, I hope I can find my way out because did I get us back to the campground okay? Or
You did
where we
not.
parked at?
No, you did not. No.
I didn't.
We won't talk about that. That's
Yeah, we talked about that off camera, so
Mm-hmm.
so we're gonna go ahead and leave before we get stuck here. Then I guess we'll get to sleep over here.
Yeah. Well, we're not. This parking area that we're parked at closes at 8.
Oh yeah, we got to get out of here. Okay.
Yeah.
But anyways, we had a great time.
Mhm.
Saw a lot of bear, which was awesome. And yes,
I'd do it again.
do it
for
again.
sure.
And I will say we did realize this because we got to see a lot of bears this time. Because usually when we're driving, and if there's bear somebody sees a bear, they stop. And that makes up traffic, and you may or may not ever get to see the bear because of the traffic. With the bikes, just pull off. Everybody had their bikes, just pull off, and we got to see them.
A lot easier to
We
see.
got to stop, and a lot easier to see them. But anyway, until next time. All right.